school in Gaza Strip today within the necessary preventative measures to limit the spread of the COVID-19 virus after a 5-month suspension due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
While the Ministry of Education in Gaza approves a set of preventative measures to deal with the corona pandemic, part of which is the decision to cancel the morning assembly in school, keep students inside their classrooms during the break period, the closure of canteens to reduce overcrowding and to eliminate the spread of the virus. Our reporter Yumna Al-Sayed brings us more from Gaza.
More than 500,000 students went to their schools in the Gaza Strip today within the necessary preventive measures to limit the spread of coronavirus after a 5-month suspension due to the COVID-19 pandemic, while the Ministry of Education in Gaza approved a set of preventive measures to deal with the corona pandemic, part of which is the decision to cancel the morning assembly in schools, keep students inside their classrooms during the break period, and the closure of the canteen to reduce overcrowding and to eliminate the spread of the virus.
We have taken all the necessary safety measures by the Palestinian Ministry of Health, and the Ministry of Education staff undertake the field work to ensure the cleanness of the toilets and the necessary sanitation facilities. And our preliminary estimates indicate that the plan is going according to what the Ministry of Education has established with the Ministry of Health.
In an atmosphere of joy, the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestinian Refugees, UNRWA, received students after it sterilized its schools and announced that it would distribute school stationery to refugee students in order to help them in light of the successive economic crisis in Gaza, stressing that it would implement an advisory and psychological plan to prepare students to deal with the new season after this long suspension.
The study is going today as usual in the first scenario, which is that there is no corona in the community of the Gaza Strip, but continuous sterilization have been conducted before the arrival of the students. And also these operations will take place twice a day in the morning and between classes, and daily teachers will be employed this month, bringing the number to 1,000 teachers.
The Ministry of Education announced that it has agreed with everyone to reduce school hours so that they would be only 4 classes, and it would start with a catch-up curriculum of what students had missed in the previous school year due to the pandemic. A fresh new academic year starts in the Gaza Strip today, with hopes that it will end in peace and with safety. For KTV2, this is Yumna Sayed, Gaza, Palestine.